Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs, back today with another Narcoleptic tech tip. We are going to build a transmission jack today because I'm not giving $70 for one of those things, so let's get to work. Being that we mounted the transmission and transfer case together, obviously we're not going to lay on our back and bench press this setup, so we're going to build us a transmission jack today. We'll take our trusty 3.5 ton jack we bought from Brian Late at Black Seed Originals. We bought it, I don't know, 3 or 4 years ago. We're going to pull the cap, leave us the hole here. We're going to make a plate here and something big enough for the trans. I dug through the scrap and we have something that really fits close. So we're going to use this pipe and some flat metal. And we'll use this piping here, or this square tube here, as the sides. Guys, so I needed to jump up here and get the, we're going to use the bottom of this metal shelving here as our base for the trans jack. I am trimming out and making this little bar fit across here. This takes a little bit of time, but I just wanted to show you guys the process. So we are using the Eastwood MiG 175. That little welder has done so much for us in the shop here. It's perfect for little projects like this. Easy to wheel around, lightweight, and just, I mean, absolutely puts in work. So. I wanted to add this this piece here on the back, mainly because you know, when you slide down under the truck and you've got the jack there, you're usually about 1.5 inches, 2 inches from being able to get it into place. So I figured I would put that on the back, one to strengthen the base, but also to give us that extra clearance. It's all welded up right after I get done here. And then we're going to throw the jack and transfer case on this crazy thing. A little bit on this one. Steven actually has to come over and help me because I've got one hand on the jack and one hand on the tranny and transfer case, trying to get them lined up and all that kind of stuff. So luckily he was there and came over and helped me out. All right, now I got to build a torque converter holder so we don't drop it out of the transmission when I'm trying to put that bitch in tomorrow. I'm like, fuck, dude, you been rolling around on the ground with me.
What did they?
His hip was out. Yeah. Come on, bitch. Yeah. Well, I'm not trying to do that while I'm in there. Way up top where I can't get it, you know? Yeah. Cool, then I'll tighten it up. Damn! Hope you enjoyed that. I had fun making it. We got to get to work on this Grand Wagoneer. We have a car show next weekend, and I need the engine and trans and transfer case in it so we can put it in the show. So, all right. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to keep up with everything coming. See ya.